What's up guys, Enjo here. Welcome to my channel Texo Academy. Thank you so much for stopping by to check out my content. If you love the contents we post right on this channel, kindly smash that subscribe button. In this channel we make videos on all things make money online, entrepreneurship. So if that interests you, please do well to smash that subscribe button and turn on that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we make amazing videos just like this one. And just to let you know, if you're yet to watch my last video, the 5 online side hustles, I bet you should go watch that video, and that's the video right here. All right, make sure you watch this video right here because I have embedded in it lots of values, lots and lots of values. You won't believe it, like the title, unbelievable. You won't believe what you are going to gain from watching this video. Watch it down to the end, learn all the 5 strategies, and let me know what you think, or the one you actually want to go into. Let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to link you up with some mentors that is going to guide you to make sure you stay profitable right in that niche. All right, so in today's video I'm going to go straight into what we have. I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your Trust wallet to your poocoin account. All right, so right here now what we have to do, I go over to my browser. So I'm just going to type in poocoin. Okay, so I'm going to go right into their website, poocoin.app. I'm going to attach the link right below this video in the description of this video. Okay, so right here all I just need to do is I'm going to sorry. All right, so what you're going to do is right here at the top here you see connect. Okay, so you can connect your BSC wallet, you can connect your Polygon wallet, you can connect your Kuchain wallet. All right, so you just click on connect. All right, so you have a list of options right here, but I just want to connect my Trust wallet right into this app so I can be able to buy from this account from poocoin app, and I can also take my profit right from this place. I can sell my tokens as well. So in my next video I'm going to be showing you how you can take massive profit when your coin improves or appreciates. So right here I'm going to select MetaMask stroke Trust wallet. So this is going to take us down to it's going to bring up a pop-up to connect our Trust wallet. All right, so all you just need to do is the first option wasn't working, so you just go to Wallet Connect. Okay, so you click on Wallet Connect, which is the second one. So right here it brings up this pop-up, so I'm going to click on Connect. Awesome. Now can you see different wallets that I have? I have a SafePal, I have IOP, I have C98, I have Atomic wallet, I have Parago, Algo wallet. All right, and I have Trust wallet. So but right now I'm going to be using Trust wallet. All right, so I'm going to enter in my passcode. Okay, so perfect. So can you see that it bears my name here, Jojo? All right, so it brings up this pop-up to approve your signing in into poocoin account. All right, to connect your Trust wallet to poocoin account on your Google Chrome, on your browser. All right, so it is super simple. All you just need to do is to click on connect, and that solves it. All right, so it's going to automatically log in that your wallet into poocoin. It is super simple, super simple. All right, so this is how you can connect your Trust wallet to your poocoin account, and you can trade right into this. All right, so thank you for watching. If you love the values that I share in this video, kindly smash that like button and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. And if there is any topic of your choice that you wish to see in this channel, please let me know in the comment section and I'll make the video right for you. All right, so until next time, see you again.